Hello, everyone. I'm so excited about today's live, guys. First of all, I just want to appreciate every single one of you guys for joining me today and taking some time off of your busy schedule And just let me know in the comment below. I just want to make sure that you guys could hear me and see me well. Let's see who's here. I see there's a lot of you here. Alan, um, good morning. Lali, LA Limo Service. I said Lali. LA Limo Service said good morning. Good morning for everyone joining me. Let me know in the comment below, wherever you are, um, where you're watching me from, which platform. I think I could see all the platform right now. All right, sounds good. It looks like you guys could see me. So today, I'm just gonna jump ahead and start with this live today, which is a so exciting live. There's a new tool that I just added to my toolbox in Mapback Toolbox. We all know that the search is changing, and a few days ago, I had something on my backlog for the tool for Mapback Toolbox that I needed to create an AI mention tool, right? And then out of nowhere, somebody texts me a message, and that was Riz Mo. Shout out for Riz. He's going to join us right now, guys. He's here, I guess. But as soon as he's on, I'll let him jump on. But yeah, he mentioned, he's like, dude, I'm in, Riz, guys. If you don't know Riz, he's everywhere. Yeah, you see him everywhere and all the SEO conventions. He's just a nice dude. Down to earth. He has an SEO agency. He's very well known in an SEO industry, in our industry. And so he mentioned something about why don't you add, he sent me a suggestion, like, why don't you add the AI mention or start this tool? I was thinking about you. And I jumped on it over the weekend. So first of all, I just wanted to say thank you for Riz. And here's the schedule today. I'm gonna introduce Riz a little bit. We're gonna talk for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna jump for not a presentation, just a quick 15 minutes slides that I have to go over before I show you the demo. And at the end of the show, or at the end of the live, I will add free credits for whoever stay live to the end. And just I'll tell you how to do it, how we could get the free credits to use it and to use Mappack Toolbox. So I'm going to be very generous today. I'm going to add a lot of credits today. So Harry, good morning. Thank you. So let's get the man and Riz. Hey, how are you? Sorry, we cannot hear you.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm connecting all the way from Pakistan, so
From
a little
Pakistan,
far.
dude.
Yeah.
Guys. I got a quick a new name for Riz. Ibn Battuta. Is that the name? Ibn Battuta. Do you know Ibn Battuta? He's a
You
traveler.
mean the
Yeah. What is it?
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if I said it right, but he's a traveler. You are everywhere, my friend.
Yeah.
Good. How's business? How's life? How's everything?
It's good. It's good. I came out here to talk with some of the SEO professionals out here,
Right.
and we basically kind of teamed up to see what the future holds for SEO.
There's a lot of changes, right?
Yeah.
Crazy changes. Thank you for taking the time and joining us today, and thank you for suggesting and give me that boost. Like, hey, go ahead and create this. So tell us what let's tell the audience of what our discussion, what happened, and why we're here today.
So basically I went to one conference that was called Link Building Mastery in Chiang Mai. And then right after that, I went to Matt Diggity's conference, which was Chiang Mai SEO. And, the hottest topic there was how to get on ChatGPT. And then, second of all, how to track it. And there was a lot of software that was out there, which I thought was a little pricey. Um, I don't think it should be that much, you know. And then after that, I went to Bangkok, Thailand, and the same discussions were happening a lot of the circle conversations are, Facebook ads, Google ads, and then being mentioned on ChatGPT, or at least popping up. And if you're not monitoring that, how do we do so? Uh, I don't want to take up too much space, but just from a SEO perspective, I'm not saying organic's dead. I'm not saying SEO is dead. I'm not like one of those guys,
No.
but I do feel like it's moving somewhere else, right? So let's just say the click traffic and the non-click traffic, right? We as SEO guys, we were always going after the non-click traffic. Um, and we are a big proponent on, how do we get up on Google organically and get those customers that are the non ads sort of. And I know that traffic has moved over to ChatGPT, and a lot of the SEO professionals, a lot of the people that I spoke to, the efforts are, how do we get there and how do we monitor it? And there's going to be a lot of solutions out there, but after speaking with you, I was like, I think there's something that we could create, some sort of magic, and get a solution that's affordable for everyone.
Absolutely, yes. And surprisingly, all of these, AI mentioned tools or AI brand tools, they it's not focused on a local from a local perspective, if you notice, right? It's all usually nationwide, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I was like. We needed to show it like for regular dentist, plumber, local plumber, that some of the searches, and I'll show you guys in a little bit with the numbers how things are shifting right now. It's a big shift that it's happening. We still have to do the foundation and the basics, I guess, for SEO to be able, to have the AI mention you. But we'll go this. And so, do you want me? I could start sharing my screen, and we got from LA Limo Service. He says, "Hi, Riz. Are you going to SEO Rockstars?" Riz, we got a question for you. Somebody's asking if you are going to the SEO Rockstars.
I'm stuck here in Pakistan, so it's gonna be a little tough.
Yeah, and how about SEO spring training?
Yeah, I wanna attend SEO spring training. That's actually
Uh,
one of my favorite conferences. I don't know how to explain why it's one of my favorites, but I'll say a few nuggets that I like about it is the breakout rooms. I think those breakout rooms probably give you the knowledge you would probably attain in a whole year 30 minutes of that breakout room. So I really like that. Um, SEO Rockstars is actually one that I would attend every year. And unfortunately, I can't make it this year. I would love to, but yeah, I won't be spring training. Yeah, I'll be
I will definitely see you there. It will be my first.
there.
Yeah. We got Yash, category 3 recovery, Fort Myers, Florida. Wow, that's where you. Oh, nice. Category 3. Is there a tornado happening right now? Hurricane, I mean? I don't know. So let's jump in my presentation, and I'll share my screen and tell you guys what we're going to talk about. And then I'll do a quick demo as well. Let me see if I could do the entire window. Just bear with me 1 second. Alrighty, here we go. And let me make this a little bit better. Just give me a second. All right, can you guys see my screen? Let me know, guys, if you could see my screen and oh. Okay, looks like we are good, but I'm just gonna fix this real quick, guys, so we have more. All right. Let me see the comments. So I don't have to miss anything. Andrew, I gotta send. So Andrew said, "How dare you not invite me?" Muchak, sorry, man. I know. I know you're extremely busy, but consider that you have an open invite all the time, my friend. So check your messages right now if you would like to join. Hop on, my friend. All right, let me. There we go. So, we can see your screen. Harut said we can see your screen. Thank you. All right, guys. So let's go, and I'm gonna zoom in. Um, all right. So we agree. We all know that search is changing, and Google dominating search for like over 2 decades right now, and um, it's it's and it's defining how we found information for over 2 decades. Right now, it's changing. ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews now offer conversational alternative to traditional search, right? So users increasingly ask questions in natural language and typing keyword queries. So but let me repeat that users are actually increasingly asking questions. So right now it's a little bit different. People are asking questions. Is not like regular keyword query. Let me. We got Andrew too. So let me. Andrew, thank you for joining us, man. Oh, where did you go? Here we go. Hey, Andrew.
Hey, dude.
How are you?
I'm good, dude. I'm just hopping on to sit for a little bit. I'll be here for like 10 minutes or something. I need a break from
You're the real
my
deal,
stuff.
man. I'm just a bystander.
I'm a bystander. I'm a bystander.
Did you see Riz his Andrew's new tool that he's working on?
I
He
saw
just
his
released it.
post. I haven't checked it out yet, so
Yeah,
I'm definitely
it's
interested.
very powerful. You gotta check it out, man. So thank you again,
Thank
Andrew.
you.
I'm just gonna, if you have it, you know the topic that we're talking about. Do you cover it in your tool? Do you cover any
Not
AI
yet.
in it?
I want to. I literally am building a spec for designing this right now. So I was like, oh, hey, I'll just check it out. I think like most tools, if you're in SEO, should be tracking something like this.
True, true.
Might as well.
All right, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. I'll show it to you. I'll do a quick demo in a few. So let's talk about numbers, guys. So the AI revolution, it's right already here right now. So and the metrics show how rapidly AI is reshaping the search behavior and user engagement across the digital landscape. So if we're gonna see some numbers, 800 million to a 1 billion weekly ChatGPT users, and we have in Perplexity over 780 million queries as well. So 60. These numbers are, I could cite them for you guys if you need the source, but these are real numbers. 60% of Google searches end with 0 click right now, and 61% drop in organic CTR from AI overviews. How many of you guys like from because I talk to non-techie people, not SEOs, just regular, my wife, my friends, my mom. They send me screenshots of an AI overview, right? And we all know that we could, we could manipulate that a little bit. But right now, people trust in the AI overview a lot. So if they have a question, the first thing they go to is the AI overview, and then they trust that that answer, and that's why the clicks are dropping rapidly right now. So so traditional SEO versus visibility, which is AI visibility. Traditional SEO, it's based on keyword planning. Go to your keyword planner, Google Keyword Planner, or any keyword tool that you have. It gives the exact volume, and it tracks ranking between 1 to 10, measure clicks and conversation, and target specific keyword. Now, the problem, or at least for now, the AI visibility, there's no search volume data. We don't know how many people search that volume or see that volume. And and we don't know if it mentioned or not mentioned, if your brand is mentioned or not. For now, can't track conversation yet. Maybe the LLM soon will give us that data. But right now, we don't have that data. We don't know how many clicks, how many volume, how many times it shows impressions, all of that. We don't know. So, and AI decides the recommendation. It's not it's not like a patent Google search or any other search framework. It's basically AI decides the recommendation based on what you have. So what we do now, millions of consumers now ask AI for a local recommendation daily. So when searching for services like plumbing in Chicago, AI provides only 3 to 5 business names. So if your business isn't mentioned by AI, you basically don't exist. So I've seen businesses right now, they ranking and the rank read really good in 5 miles. But when you do search for their service plus or have a question for the AI about their services or their industry, they don't exist. So, and that could be for multiple reasons right now. So brand awareness is created even when users don't click through to your site, to your website. So it's mostly brand awareness. So people are going to go to, put the prompt, search for the best plumber in the city, and then they'll see you, and then they might go and Google your name and, and then be able to, go to your landing page. So basically it's a branding awareness right now. So guys, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Just type in the comment, and Andrew and Riz, just if you have anything you would like to add, please let me know, or just cut me off. All good. So the new tool that I have in Mappack Toolbox
I would
is,
say it's the new gold rush.
It's the new gold rush. Yes, we're in the dark right now, right? But it's changing, right? It's like, it is gold rush, but the problem is I feel that we're in the dark and things are changing rapidly. So things could be different in next month, right? And with the LLM and everything. So I don't know, but but it's very important to know this information right now. You have to know if your AI mentioned your businesses. So that's why we did the LLMentio. So tracks AI. It tracks the AI mentions, and it tracks the position, and it does the sentiment across the platform. There's 3 platforms that we do in the tool. It's AI overview, and that's not a direct Gemini LLM. It's actually the Google AI overview tracking. Also ChatGPT, and they all have the live search with it. Because if you go to the API and you do the prompts, it's not going to have the live search. So the key is to have the LLM live search along with it, so it will be the closest results to the reality. And so that's what we're tracking right now. And the way I build it, because Mappack Toolbox is focused on local SEO and for agencies, right? And I wanted something that when we do the regular keyword research, or when we do any keyword research, we actually use the search location, right? If you're using an API or anything, you're going to put the search location because the results is different. With this, in the prompt, every prompt includes the target city, so it will give me the local optimization. So when the question prompt, I'm going to show you in a little bit what it is, like question like best service in the city, that generate the localized city specific results. So if you have that, it will give you very similar results to near me. If I'm on my phone and search on ChatGPT best service in the city, it's going to take my location, or using the previous data, or using the browser, and it will know the location, and then it will be able to give you the results. So I found out that having the city name in all the prompts, that give you the localization data that we want. Uses the same geo-targeting logic as rank grid. So yeah, that's similar to the rank grid that we have. And different cities produce different AI recommendation tailored to each location. Somebody asked, LA limo service, how did you get those numbers? I could give you these. Let me get you the numbers. The citation, it was... I could follow up and give you the links, and I'll send it to you after the call. So one of them, from different Google searches, I'll send you this actually right here, if you guys could see this. And some of them are from SEMrush, some of them are from this is SEMrush, and that's recently, like last week. And the search engine journal too, but they all have real studies. But let me go back where I am. Yep. So I could jump and show you guys the live demo. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, LA Luma, I'm gonna send you all the resources or all the citations for these numbers. Do you guys have any questions, or should I jump on the demo? I don't have any.
I'm just getting used to. I'm like looking at the private chat. I've never done these restream things.
They're cool. Restream. That's what I use.
Oh, your method works totally fine, but I saw something online just for funsies. I know ChatGPT allows it, but you can actually put metadata for location in the actual API, so it doesn't have to just be modified by the query. It could just be location metadata.
Interesting.
I know. I thought that was cool that they added that. And I gotta believe that once ads start taking off for ChatGPT, surely they're gonna have more of this prompt tracking type stuff, because advertisers will want that kind of thing.
Yeah, I'll definitely look into it. The ads, it's gonna be big. I think it's gonna be really big. So let me jump into show you the demo, guys. So what we built. Just a quick overview. MapPack Toolbox is a toolbox catered to local SEO agencies, SEOers who manage multiple clients, and it has different tools. I'm not going to go over them today, but it has the main pain point it solves is time saving, right? And you could have anyone in your team, VA, jump and finish tasks and manage your client campaign, basically. So here's the LLMentio. So I have a few people in the comments. Before I go there, I'm just gonna show the actual history results, like previous results, and then I'll do some of the live demos. Actually, I could jump right here and show you guys. So first is search for your business. So let's say, actually, let's do it now. I'm gonna go right here. And I think I have somebody mentioned is a find diamond jewelry shop, right? So right now it's actually gonna search. That's the business. It's gonna do a Google My Business. The reason I do that with this API call is to get. I have to zoom in a lot. Is this better, guys? No. Yep. All right. And the search term. So here's the thing um, with matching the search term inside the LLM and inside the LLM. Sometimes you have, let's say, Dr. Christopher, right? And he could be mentioned Dr. Christopher with the last name, right? And it could be just written down like actual Dr. Christopher, right? Sometimes we have a different variation for the business that the LLM use it. Sometimes it's multiple different names. So what I like to add, what I added here is basically giving the user ability to change or add more match terms for the business, right? So in this case, it could be Christopher Jewelry Store. Too many E's right here, I guess. Yep. So you get the idea of the match term. Now, the main search keyword, which is basically the main it's what I like to have it as your main category, right? It could be your main keyword as well. So the main category right here for Christopher is a jewelry store, right? So we're going to take it here and and then I like to put the Chandler, Arizona. And the platform that we're going to scan is ChatGPT, Google AIO, and Perplexity. The first thing is you could choose how many prompts that you want to track. So in this case, I'm just going to do 10, but you could do as many as you want. And what the tool does, based on some data and research data, it's going to generate the prompts. Till now, you're not paying any credits. So what it did, it generated the prompts for you. Right? This is free for now, no credits. And these are some of the prompts that people will search on the LLM because again, it's questions. Usually people ask questions. So it's not terms, it's not search keyword, it's questions. What are the best jewelry store business in Chandler, Arizona? Who are the top jewelry store providers in Chandler? So these are all the prompts. And now in the bottom right here, you could add more custom prompts if you need it. So, and then right now the cost would be 60 credits. And remember, what the tool is going to do, there's 10 prompts, right? So it's going to do 10 prompts for each LLM. So basically there's 30 different calls. It's going to happen right now. While this is actually generated, it's going to take a few minutes, guys. And the first results is not going to be complete. It's going to take a minute or two. I'm going to work on the UI and the UX here to give a better reading. But that's what it's doing right now. It's querying the ChatGPT, and then it's going to do the Google AIO and then Perplexity. While this is generating, can you please, if you have any questions, let me know. I see that people say, go to the demo, please. Yes, I'm at the demo, Lydian. No worries.
Can we add our own custom questions in here?
Yes, custom prompts. So you could add, delete, edit, whatever you'd like in here. But I find out, if I got to have the state in here just to give the localization of it. So because it might get a different result. I noticed sometimes I didn't put the state and it give me different results because there's a different city name in different area, right? So while this is actually working, I'm gonna go to a different one so we could show results right away.
How long does it typically take when you add a new query?
I would say 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. it's the first results like right now start coming, but they're still analyzing the data, and it's not separating the citation sources with the competition yet. And then after it's complete, I have to refresh to get the right, it's separate basically who's the competition and who's the citation. Because right now it's actually listing. That's something that I have to work on. But let me show you what we're gonna look at in a little bit. So this is a previous one, and what you see right here is the visibility score, and we have the sentiment score and the position, average position for it, right? And we did, this. I don't know about you guys. I like visual things, so I focus on the visual report more than just the data, right? And here you could switch between the visibility of the competition and the sentiment and the position, right? And here it tells us how many mentions in each one. This is kind of surprisingly, it should be more than that. So I have to look into it and see why they have only one mention in ChatGPT, but they're getting really good mentions in Google AI Overview and Perplexity. And then what you're looking at right here is the competitor visibility. It show you those are the competition, and those are the citation sources, which is Riz actually specifically told me like this is very important for SEO campaigns. Sometimes you'll know that some citations they don't have, and they have been cited by AI, and you don't have them, and that's why I created something called the citation opportunity that your competition has and index, and the Google AI is citing it, but you don't have it. So
So this was actually one of the biggest things that was talked about at Chiang Mai SEO is a lot of the guys who were able to crack into ChatGPT were talking about how if someone has a mention or a citation, you want to be able to have some sort of dashboard to track it all. It's just amazing that you put this together. It just makes everything a lot more simpler.
thank you. Yeah. It's data that it's there. We just have to pass it on the front end so people would know. Now, yeah. So that's what, and then you could go to prompts, right? And you'll see all the 30 prompts that we ran and which one it was mentioned. And if you click on one of them, it will give you a nice UI showing you where they were mentioned and how they mentioned.
Nice.
And then what's the sentiment of it, and what's the competitor mentioned, who are the competitors that they mentioned them, and the citations that were used in that prompt. And you could make it, the no mention, and we have an issue with this one.
So I think people miss that. Can you go back to that example again? Which you
Yeah,
basically showed, if you can go back to that example.
this one. Yeah. So basically,
Yeah.
this is the question that's we ran three different queries, one for ChatGPT, and let me zoom in because and one AI, Google AI
But I think
overview,
people miss
and then yep. So when
Yeah.
I
but I
click
think
on
people
that,
miss the bottom part. You went real
oh,
quick on that one.
this one right here,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
yeah. So this, I mean, this is a regular, I made it like UI. It looks like a chat, and that was the response, and that's where it will highlight the business, and it will say where you were mentioned, which number, like you were the first one mentioned, and then it will show you the other competitor mentioned in that prompt, and the citation used inside that prompt, inside that response from the AI. It was from Yelp, and actually, if you click on it, I don't know if that's going to happen yet. Discover the top 10 best weight loss center. So AI took this, um, and that's what they cited for the business. Yelp, I know I'm not a big fan of them, but Google is. So they really look at these top 10 results that usually Yelp has it for every industry. So so if you're not on those in your industry in the top 10, you got to find out a way to get in it. Any questions for this one? If you guys have any questions on this section, let me know in the comments below. All right, let me go back to here. So we got one of our audience. They send us this, the Christopher Fine Diamonds. I'm going to send him this report. Right now, I don't have an export report. You could screenshot things. So the best way to do it is just screenshot it. And if you need to send it to your customer, you're more than welcome to do it. And then I didn't add, it should be, so you could choose if you want it to do it on a weekly basis or a monthly basis. Other tools like competition of LLMentio, they do it on a daily basis, but I don't think for a local SEO, you need it on a daily basis. I understand for a global or nationwide brand that needs to be checked on a daily basis. But for regular Joe, small business or jewelry stores, they don't need it on a daily basis. You could schedule this on a weekly basis or even monthly basis. Let me refresh this, or I'm going to go here and get the results here. And I should have, yep. So that's something I have to fix, vibe code it. So here's the citation for that business. Most of them are from Yelp at the beginning, Wedding Wire, and it shows the 29 citations. I'm going to add a way that you could actually see all the other citations. Right now, it's only showing the 8 of them. And we'll show here the visibility score is 63% and 98 for the sentiment, and the position is 85. And see right here, you could switch and see all of that, and it'll show you the citations opportunity, and it goes right here and it shows your that's one of the questions. What are the best jewelry store businesses in Chandler, Arizona? And he was mentioned number 2. Actually, it should be number 1. I don't know why. Let me go back. All right, I go to the prompts, and yeah, so it's number 2. I'm not sure why we got it. It should be number 1, but it's okay. And the competition mentioned is these companies right here, and there wasn't any citation with this response from ChatGPT. If we go to Google, again, Google or AIO, they love Yelp, and they got the citation from there, and they are mentioned number 1 as well. So yeah, what else we have right here? And I'll show you something real quick as well. This is an e-commerce brand. We got a question. Hannah said, so we can implement those citations to our brand to show up. Riz, you want to answer that? No?
Yeah, I mean, that's the beauty part, is that we can reverse engineer what the competition is doing by seeing all the citations mentioned. But it's saying, can we implement those citations to our brand to show up? I mean, this is almost a mix, right? Because it's pulling Yelp's listicles. I don't know if you saw, like, when you clicked on the Yelp, it was saying top 10, whatever it was, weight loss things. So, getting into that on Yelp is definitely going to help push your brand on the LLMs and other listicles as well. But yeah, like I've seen some, like when people say citations, I think it's too much of a blanket statement. It's like,
Yeah,
oh, just have a Yelp profile. That's what most SEOs think. But really, it's to get on those citations that are building those listicles.
I agree. What about you, Andrew? What do you think? Do you think just citations will help you get into the AI responses?
What'd you say?
Do you think only having those citations, missing citations, will help you? Will help, if you implement it into,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah, I think it helps. I don't think it's a guarantee.
yeah,
I think that the reason why, because there's two main things I think that are impacting AI thinking that about you. One of them is are you part of the training data? So this is why it's so important to optimize uh, now. Don't wait, because every model that's getting trained is essentially what will it be trained on? Or do you want it to be there? You get a far stronger uh, correlation if it's part of the training data. Now, if it's just search, and I don't know what the weight is of like training data, it's still doing searches, but how much does that search plus the fact that it's found in training data impact things? But if it's found in a search and it's saying certain things about it, for me, it's like, well, where I need to know where it's getting that info. Is it just from landing pages? Is it from social media? Where, what's informing, I guess, the AI's understanding of that? Then reverse engineer that. That's how you'll guarantee it.
absolutely. Yeah. I mean, citations will definitely, help. It's content that you need to create online. But, overall, you just need better content that answers people questions, right? And that will help a lot as well. So, um, to improve the AI visibility, I just did this real quick. The entity rank AI from Mapback Toolbox, it builds basically entity authority or the auto schema and give you the right structured data that Google and the LLM actually get about your business. And most importantly is people also ask articles. You need to go and find those questions and create those articles. I have, like just a quick example, like 20 coin gold store or just 21K gold. That's one of my customers, and usually they hear and they cite it, and it's basically just a regular question. You see, that's from Blockstorm AI, one of my tools that um, create questions, and they are in the AI, whatever you ask, and it's very simple. Probably like 1,000 word with internal linking that answers the people also ask questions that Google have about a product. So um, this is kind of important to create articles or answer questions on your website. You could use Voxstorm; it's pretty quick. AKA content creation, which is the wireframe that I have on Blockstorm. You could use Blockstorm to create it, or even just create the wireframe itself, which is create an authority page that it has knowledge pages and it has answer pages that link to all of them and connect it all as a content cluster. Um, and I can't wait to Andrew's tool as well to get access to it, so we could create those authority topical clusters based on ICPs and a lot of things that Andrew added, which is I'm really interested in as well. Social media posts, that's actually not a lot of people talking about it. If you go back to one of these results right here, where is it? I mean, you're probably going to see some Reddit, Facebook, Instagram. I mean, AI is reading all this data. And yeah, it's indexed on Google. You'll find them. And there's a lot of, not a lot of people focusing on a social media. So create that social media content as it's basically creating it from on your website. So if you have answering questions of let's say people also ask questions, and you could create those content on Instagram, Google, Reddit, just put them everywhere. That will help a lot with the AI overview as well. And strong reviews and citations that we talked about, and just content AI can trust just more content that Google trusts and answer questions. That's for now. That's what I think. Most of the things that will help in getting inside the AI visibility and AI responses, basically. So, yeah. Is there anything you guys would like to add?
looks solid. I agree for just about all of it. I think the Reddit and probably just honestly Reddit or forums. If that, I didn't see that it was mentioned in your strategy of like what the things are that you need to do, but that's definitely one of them.
Yes.
Matt Diggity just posted a strategy for how to do it, by the way. I thought it was really great.
Oh, really? Nice. I'll check it out. Hannah have question mark. Please let us know. Did you this answer your question?
She did another question.
Yeah. But yeah, do you guys think, are we missing anything from here? And do you think local businesses will benefit from this in a way that, and it changes basically, if I run another one right now, sometimes it's a different response, right? It's very dynamic, but it's still on the top 3. That's what I noticed. I do have another person. If you guys, I could run another request because somebody asked me to do this. So we could do this really quick. Locksmith. That'd be interesting. Do you think I should add anything, or are we missing anything for LLMentio?
I'm sure there's always something.
Yeah. Let me go.
I like making YouTube videos that have the word review in it, in the title. That has helped.
Interesting. Like the main keyword or the question with the review, or the business and with the review in the title?
The business name. Plus, yeah.
Interesting. Did you do it in a massive way, or just
no, we only did it for clients that we didn't see them get in there in the ChatGPT.
Interesting. Let's see. I have all right. So if you guys have any more questions or anything, I'm going to run this and see if, the results in a little bit. But you could go ahead and go to MapPack Toolbox. That's mapppacktoolbox.com. And check. You get 25 free credit free credit right away. But everybody who's who's here, still watching, appreciate you guys spending the time with us today. Any DM, send me on Facebook or YouTube, anywhere. Comment and say credits, and I will add 100 credits free to your account. Just send me the email and basically how to go sign up. It's free to sign up, no credit card required, and automatically you get 25 free credits right away. And I could add 100 extra. So whatever you're watching, you could find me, Robbie Rizik, on Facebook. DM me your username, and I will add 100 credits. And that's going to be for today and tomorrow. And this way you could check it a little bit more and test it and see how it will benefit your workflow. And right now, there's more data that we have to show our clients that you are up to date. Users are still using AI to search. I don't personally search yet, but sometimes I find myself on the LLM asking about a local service, but not that much. But there's a lot of people that are doing it already right now. So that's something that definitely changing in the SEO industry. All right. It looks like Alan have a comment. Harry wants some credit. That's awesome. Harry, please send me your username. Go sign up. Go to mappacktoolbox.com. Sign up. It's free. No credit required. and we'll go from there. I'll add the credits. Alan, it looks like he signed up. Awesome. Thank you, Alan. And I'll add those credits. And that would be it for today. We're already at a 1 hour mark. And I want to thank Riz and Andrew for joining us today. So tell us, do you have any last thing or anything you want to say, Dan?
Are you guys sorry, I'm totally out in the dark on this. Are you guys building this together or working together on this specific piece? Or Riz, how did you end up here, my guy? I didn't know that you were working with Robbie. Or are you a fan of the stuff?
No, so I saw a lot of other solutions in Chiang Mai, and they were very pricey. And then I reached out to Rab, and I was like, "Dude, I don't want to pay this price. Can you add this in your tools?" And then he's like, "Why not? If everyone's gonna jump on it, then I don't see why not." So it was just me giving him feedback, and then he enjoyed the feedback so much. He was like, "Riz, you should jump on here and review more tools." I was like, "Okay."
Yeah. It was something on the backlog that, I'm like, I want to do it, but I never like jumped on it in a way that as soon as Riz told me, I'm like, remember, Riz, I told you over the weekend, consider it Monday is done. That was like 4 days, I guess, right? 4 or 5 days I built this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
that's awesome.
I mean, Riz is always, always he knows, you guys met together, right? You guys met before, and then
I've met him before.
Yeah.
Are you going to SEO spring training this year?
Yeah, definitely. I want to.
Nice. I'll see you in April too. I'm not able to go to Rockstars. I wanted to go, but a rematch. Yeah, I'm down.
There we go. We'll see you there, guys. I'm gonna be there as well. So I'm excited. I mean, I've never been to SEO spring training, but everybody said good things about it.
Yeah, it's fun. It changed a lot over the years.
Yeah. Is it bigger? A lot of people?
It's had some years that are big.
Yeah.
I'd say maybe the format or the topics are changing a lot. A lot of it's becoming less just like SEO, straight up SEO strategies, and which I like. I like that it's not going to just be straight SEO. It's going to be AI, it's going to be SEO, and then sort of like growth. I think it's better when you're attracting an audience of agencies. It has business owners too, but I think it's good to have a lot of stuff on running an agency.
Yeah, can't wait. The breakout rooms, that sounds interesting. But I'm wondering how you cover a lot, but you'll choose which topic you want to go to, right? You don't have to listen to all.
I like that you can choose anything. It also sucks though, because there's usually 3 things that I want at any given moment, and I can only attend one.
Is there recordings and you could get them later or no?
Yeah, although the recordings, I don't even know where the recordings are. It took so long. That's the one thing, my one piece of feedback, which they already know, and they have a good reason, but just get the recordings up faster. And
yeah, it's tough because there's different recordings. There's a lot of them that needs to be done.
There's a lot, and editing them and stuff. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can imagine. But all right, gentlemen, thank you again for taking the time from your busy schedule today and joining me. And
of course,
thank you everyone who's joining us today. And again, if you have any questions or if you need any credits and you sign up and you get the 100 credits free, you got till tomorrow to send me a DM and I'll add the credits right away. Thank you guys and have a great day.
See ya.